Hi and welcome to Table Talk with Amy. Now this week we don't have a Sophie because Sophie is putting her health first, but instead we have the wonderful Miss Booth. Cressida, explain to our viewers who you are.
Hi, I am a Year 6 teacher in a school in Lambeth, and Amy has been delivering some sessions with my class around KIT and resilience and confidence.
One of the things I would love to know from you is what you think the kids have got out of the concept of KIT.
The fact that KIT is an app meant automatic buy-in, and the first session we did, the children went through the introduction to meeting their animals, spirit animals as one of them called them today. So that meant that the children were excited to be involved. What was very interesting today is that their confidence has developed. So this afternoon, the children were performing in front of the class, and that is not something that all members of my class like to do. We've done 3 sessions, and because it's something that they're so passionate and enthusiastic about, they're confident then to get up and show their ideas.
Yeah, I must say we have massively benefited from their ideas, and we have been building them into the next release of KIT. What would you say are your biggest concerns about KIT?
My main concern is obviously the safeguarding issue, the fact that the children are sharing and then that is deleted. I completely understand it, and I think for the children it's a real positive point of KIT. My worry would be if a child said something that needed to be followed up, which in a school situation would be followed up through safeguarding procedures, which maybe in KIT might go under the radar.
Now that's totally understandable, and that's why we have our charity partners and our child psychotherapist helping us build that in. What do you think is the biggest opportunity you see?
I think it's good for children in terms of taking ownership and responsibility for their own confidence and their own mental health. I think as well the fact that the children were really keen to interact with the app, and there are some children who were trying to problem solve ways that they could interact with the app. If they shared a room with their sibling, they were already giving you suggestions of what could I do. That came from children who don't always want to share and don't always want to talk about their feelings. So that was a real positive.
That's a huge win for us. Those are the kids we're developing it for. So really, really exciting to hear. Thank you so much, Cress, for letting us be in your class with your wonderful kids.
Thank you for coming. The best thing was when you came in this afternoon and you told the children that you had changed the app based on their feedback. The faces of the children, an absolute dream.
Well, thank you so much. And thank you guys for listening as always. See you next week. Bye.
Bye.